Let me get to Scott. I do want to switch gears because another huge market story at this hour is cryptocurrency, which has been a big topic, obviously, this week with the Coinbase direct listing here. Bitcoin is actually down at this hour after Turkey banned crypto payments due to volatility and, lack of their regulation. We do have it down about 1,688 to 61,814. But Coinbase is seeing gains, and Dogecoin. I do not want to ignore that because that sort of meme crypto has skyrocketed some 400% over the last 7 days, hitting a record 45 cents overnight. So are you in the bull camp or the bubble camp here?
So I am not in the bull camp for Dogecoin. I wish I would have been, but I am not now. And here's the reason, Liz. I'm very concerned about this because a significant amount of this volume that traded yesterday was on Tether, which was leading to theories of market manipulation. What that means is these are the whales. These are the big guys that were trading this, not the retail Reddit folks who have, just been casually trading crypto or Dogecoin over the last month or so. So is there a bubble in perhaps a Dogecoin? Yes. In terms of the entire crypto market, if you look especially at Bitcoin and Ethereum, no, I don't think it is a bubble. Can we get a little bit of a pullback? Sure. But you know what? 62,000, that drop that we've seen here, that's been bought up pretty quickly. And the total market cap of the crypto space never dropped below 2.5 trillion. In terms of the news that we saw coming out of Turkey, I actually think that there was news out of China, which was just as important. There was a coal mine explosion in China overnight, which disrupted the Bitcoin hash rate there. And that may actually have as much to do with the drop that we've seen as the Turkey news. But, that's kind of where I see it. Doge really worries me, but the entire crypto space, it's not like 2017 because of the adoption of the enterprise use of blockchain.
Scott, Sarah, thank you. And by the way, we should mention that part of Doge's moonshot overnight was that it was mentioned in a Conagra earnings call.